We know that you girls out there are already using nail polish to make your nails look great, but there's so much more you can do with nail polish. Stay tuned to see exactly what we mean. But first, are you new around here? Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Crafty Hackers for more great videos like this. Now, on to nail polish hacks. Flowers. Flower headbands are super in style nowadays. From music festivals to spring parties, you can never go wrong by wearing a flower. We are going to take some twine and wrap it around a marker to create the shape we want. Twist it up and then open it up until it starts to look like a flower. Don't you feel a little like Picasso making this creation? It's pretty, but let's take it a step further. Dip the flower in nail polish. Paint as many flowers as you'd like. You can even add glitter. There are so many ways that you can decorate these flowers that it's insane. Now, it's time for the fun part. You can add the flowers to a headband, or even take an old ring and add a flower to make the ring pop. Now, you're a serious flower child. Candle. Pour some water into a cup and then pour in some nail polish. You can get really creative here with the design that you choose to make. Here comes the magic. Light the center of the nail polish and now you have a floating candle. Isn't that amazing? Phone case. It's time to take a boring phone case to the next level. Splatter nail polish all over the case. Draw a crazy design. Go wild. Make a few layers to achieve an even and bright color. Now use a glittery polish to paint the bottom half of the case. We want it to look like a bottle of glitter nail polish. We used an old paintbrush to make it 3D. Everyone will be so jealous once they see your cool case. And the best part is that it didn't cost a thing. Earphones. Great music needs cool earphones. With this hack, you can listen to music with style and without breaking the bank. Tape off sections of the headphones and then paint each section. These headphones are going to look like a rainbow by the time we are through. You can use as many colors as you'd like. Now, when you listen to music, it'll be like you have a party in your ears. Brushes. Makeup brushes can be so plain. Why don't we liven them up a bit? Just paint the handles with glittery nail polish and then leave them out to sit. Normally, fancy brush sets cost hundreds of dollars. But with this cool hack, you won't have to spend any money to get amazing brushes. Lock and key. Lock, meet key. It's always annoying when you just can't find the right key, especially when you're in a rush. Let's liven this duo up with some nail polish. If you make a mess, you can always clean it up with some nail polish remover. Let's paint the key as well. Now you will never have to search for which key goes with which lock. Genius! Bottles. Now is the time to let your inner artist out. Make sure to grab plenty of bottles, because once you start, you won't be able to stop trying out all the endless combinations. Pour some water into a bowl and then add nail polish on top. Make sure you use a few different colors of polish. Now, dip the bottle into the water. It looks like something out of a psychedelic dream, doesn't it? The key is not to get the layers of polish on top of each other. Repeat with as many colors and patterns as you want. The more you do it, the cooler your designs get. Matches. You should never play with matches, but if you're going to do it with style. Did you know that nail polish protects matches from getting wet? Dip the matches in fingernail polish and let them dry. Now you can dunk them in water and they will still light like nothing ever happened. This fire is unstoppable. Charger. Don't you hate when you go to charge your phone and you can't figure out which way to put the USB in? We have the answer. Use a little nail polish to paint the bottom of the charger and the side of the USB that should face up. Now you'll never have to play the guessing game again. Envelope. Remember when people used to say that you should lick an envelope to get it to close? That's so gross. Why do that when nail polish works too? Just paint it up and send it off. Chopsticks. Chopsticks are a great way to eat Chinese food, but they're a little boring. Nail polish to the rescue. Dip the sticks in some polish. Clean off any messiness with some nail polish remover. Don't these look cute? Let's do it again with another pair. Now we can eat sushi in style. Pencils and pens. Are your nail polish containers empty from all these hacks? Don't throw them out. Use some glue to stick a pencil inside the jar. It will make it way easier to write. You can do the same with a pen. Now, no one will ever mistake your pen for theirs again. Thread and needle. Who can ever get thread through a needle? Well, painting the thread with nail polish will make it much easier to get the job done. Perfect! That's it for nail polish hacks. Which one of these hacks are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments! Thanks for watching, and see you next time!